Hey there, home cooks! Ever wondered how your microwave heats up that leftover pizza so quickly? Stick around because today I'm diving into the science behind microwave heating. Alright, let's get started. So, microwaves use a type of electromagnetic wave called, you guessed it, microwaves. These waves are super short and fall between radio waves and infrared radiation on the electromagnetic spectrum. But how does that heat your food? Here's the scoop: microwaves target the water molecules in your food. These molecules are dipoles, meaning they have a positive end and a negative end. When microwaves hit them, they start to vibrate rapidly. This vibration creates friction, and friction generates heat. That's why foods with higher water content, like soups or veggies, heat up faster than, say, a dry cracker. Pretty cool, right? But there's more. Microwaves penetrate food to about an inch deep, so the outer layers heat up first, and then that heat moves inward. This is why sometimes your food might feel hot outside but still cold inside. To fix that, give it a stir halfway through heating. Now let's talk about the microwave oven itself. Inside your microwave, there's a device called a magnetron. This bad boy generates those microwaves by converting electrical energy into microwave radiation. The microwaves then bounce around the metallic interior of your microwave oven, eventually getting absorbed by your food. You might have noticed that most microwaves have a rotating plate. That's not just for show. It helps distribute the microwaves more evenly, so your food heats uniformly. No more hot spots or cold centers, and here's a fun fact. Microwaves can also make liquids superheat. This means the liquid can be heated above its boiling point without actually boiling. So, when you take that mug of water out and it suddenly starts to bubble, it's not magic, it's science. Be careful though, that can be dangerous. Before we wrap up, remember this tip. Use microwave-safe containers. Metals can cause sparks and fires, and some plastics can melt or leach chemicals into your food. Stick to glass or microwave-safe plastics to keep things safe and tasty. And there you have it, folks. The science behind microwave heating. Next time you nuke your leftovers, you'll know exactly what's going on inside that magical box. Thanks for tuning in, and happy cooking. Don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen tips and tricks. See you next time.